Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, unless you live under a rock or something like that, I'm sure you've heard of Tesla and are well aware that this thing has just been an absolute monster. Not necessarily just today, but really the past couple of weeks. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one today, and I know I'll be watching it tomorrow. So these will be the levels that I'll be keeping an eye on, and overall, just from a technical point of view. So the first key dynamic that, in my mind, is very important to watch is there's very clearly some downwards pressure right now. The downwards pressure represented by this downtrending trend line. Now, I don't mean downwards pressure in the sense of this thing's getting ready to collapse down to $400. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that over the course of the day, after the price got up just shy of that $500 mark, things just ran out of steam, and the price could never quite gather up enough momentum. In fact, not only could they not gather up enough momentum, every time they made return trips back to the upside, it just didn't quite go as high, hence this trend line right here. With that being said, and I should note that what I'm saying here, and I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts are watching the same exact thing and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. So there is a ton of people watching that trend line wondering the same thing. In my mind, if the price, especially if it's a high volume break of that trend line, like I said, no such thing as a guarantee, but I don't know why it wouldn't get up to $500, if not more. Like I said, not a guarantee, but like I said, high volume break of that trend line, I can't see why the momentum wouldn't carry it up over $500. But again, full disclosure, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But as far as odds and probabilities, I think the odds are in the bull's favor that it goes up over 500. Now, on the flip side of things, the very, very important level of support that, again, a lot of people are going to be watching right down here at basically 488. You can see that is where the price bounced essentially on 3 different occasions. So there's going to be a lot of shorts watching this thinking, if the price comes down here and breaks some potential, upside, or not upside, but potential movement to the downside that could create some, nice upside potential in terms of profits. So watch that level, and I'm going to be watching those two main levels. So the main level from the resistance side of things, that trend line, main level from the support side of things, 488. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.